every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 256th day of my challenge, where I'm gonna try for the very first time roasted sweet potato fries recipe. And I'm quite curious because I've tried sweet potatoes only once in my life before, and that was in a dessert recipe. It was sweet potato pie, I guess that's how it was called. So I'm quite curious to try this vegetable in its supposed form as a vegetable, but I have a feeling this will be one of those recipes where I cannot really eat the end dish. Not because it's not good, don't get me wrong, but because it will be really spicy. I'm expecting, because I'm gonna use chili powder, and even though I love spicy food, I cannot really eat it. And I know, lots of people are like, so why are you putting so much chili powder? It's a challenge. People, it wouldn't be called a challenge if everything was easy. So I'm gonna try, as the original recipe says, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. And I already have my brother in my head because he loves spicy food, he can eat it. So I have a feeling these fries will just go straight to his home. Anyways, if you're curious to see how trying this recipe for the very first time goes and whether I will be able to try it out or not, then just keep on watching. We're gonna need 3 large or 5 medium sweet potatoes, washed, dried, and cut into wedges, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, plus a little bit more for drizzling over the baking sheet, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and salt and pepper. The very first thing I did was turn on my oven to preheat to 230 degrees. And now I'm gonna line this baking sheet with some aluminum foil, and once the oven is ready, I'm gonna put it into the oven for 10 minutes to preheat as well. And while that's happening, I'm gonna toss my potatoes. Preparing myself for the life of spicy food with the extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and potatoes do need quite a lot of salt, so don't skip on that, and the chili powder. And I'm gonna use Cook's Best tools. Alrighty. This is really hot, so be careful. Now this I will drizzle with a little bit more of extra virgin olive oil and then put my potatoes on top in one nice single layer, and back into the oven it will go for 40 minutes. However, halfway through I will come and just toss them around to ensure even baking. Look at this! If these were simple potatoes, I would be so happy. Now, I'm quite nervous, guys. How nervous, you ask? That much nervous. This is milk, by the way. I've learned from one of you this as well, that... oh, let's just call it experience on my challenge, trying out spicy foods. Okay, always the hardest choice. Okay, I have to share my initial thoughts that they look quite dry. That's the first, they're weird. I don't know. Still alive. Still alive. Oh, that's so sweet. Is it spicy? Wait a second. I'm still alive. This is nice. This is way different than normal potato. It's kind of like... This is hilarious, me explaining what sweet potato tastes like, but it's sort of like a mixture between potato and a carrot. Actually, even more on the carrot side, or even on the pumpkin. Wait, I feel cheated. This is not potato. But it's something nice. Like a vegetable. I'm starting to feel the need for milk. This is weird, I have to be honest. Oh my god, this was so cooling. If you are like me and the thought of spicy food makes you sweat, then you can kind of relate right now. Milk is so nice now. Okay, so after all, I think it was spicy just because I really feel like I want to drink milk, but that was not too bad. I mean, I remember, what was that? I tried like steak fries, were they? Chili steak fries, something like that. That thing, oh my god, I couldn't breathe. These ones, spiciness wise, are okay. Now, sweet potatoes. I'm not sure. I don't dislike them, but I definitely feel like I need to get used to them more. I mean, they're okay to eat like that, but I'm thinking if I ate like chicken or a piece of meat and there would be these on the side, they're sweet, they're really sweet. Like carrots are sweet, but you know, I'm used to carrots. They're okay. But this is like, I feel like really they're kind of on a dessert, more on a dessert side than on a vegetable side. So I feel a bit confused. So I don't know, you have to tell me, how long does it take to get used to these? But I'm quite curious to serve these today to my family because I will be cooking something else and I will serve this alongside. So I'm quite curious of their reaction. And I'm holding this because I know you cannot see the table and I do love you to see the end dish when I say this. If you want, go and check the original recipe by Laura there. So you can see how much it resembles, and I'm pretty sure from what I remember, and this is really warm, I'm pretty sure this is quite close to what she had in her photo, so I feel proud of myself. Anyways, I will go and try another one, I think. This is still quite weird. I have a sweet and biting taste in my mouth. Not the usual one. So if you want, as I mentioned, go and check the original recipe by Laura there. The written recipe of this particular dish is in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems, just because I'm trying out every single recipe in a line of Laura in the kitchen and I'm converting her recipes into the metric system, as I'm a metric system girl. And that's it. I'm really curious of the... Did you try this recipe? Did you like it? Do you like sweet potatoes? I mean, I loved it in the potato pie, sweet potato pie recipe, but like this, it's still kind of weird to me. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!